Regular expressions, also known as regex, are a powerful tool for processing text. We will use them for matching messages against known patterns, for extracting key phrases, and for transforming sentences grammatically. These are the core pieces we need to create our ELIZA-style bot. Much of the magic of the ELIZA system relied on giving the impression that the bot had understood you, even though the underlying logic was extremely simple. For example, asking ELIZA, "Do you remember when you ate strawberries in the garden?" she would respond, "How could I forget when I ate strawberries in the garden?" Part of what makes this example so compelling is the subject. We are asking about memories, which we associate with our conscious minds and our sense of self. The memory itself of eating strawberries in the garden invokes powerful emotions. But if we pick apart how this response is generated, we see that it's actually quite simple. To build an ELIZA-like system, you need a few key components. The first is a simple pattern matcher. This consists of a set of rules for matching user messages like, "Do you remember X?" To match patterns, we use a technology called regular expressions. To use these in Python, we import re. Regular expressions are a way to define patterns of characters and then seeing if those patterns occur in a string. In regular expressions, the dot character is special and matches any character. The asterisk means match 0 or more occurrences of this pattern. So dot star is basically a catch-all. It says match any string of characters. We can check whether a message matches a pattern by calling re.search, brackets, pattern, comma, message. This returns a match object. If the string doesn't match the pattern, the match object will be none. So we can check if the string matches using a simple if statement. Adding parentheses in the pattern string defines a group. A group is just a substring that we can retrieve after matching the string against the pattern. We use the match object's group method to retrieve the parts of the string that matched. The default group with index 0 is the whole string. The group with index 1 is the group we defined by including the parentheses in the pattern. To make responses grammatically coherent, we will want to transform the extracted phrases from first to second person and vice versa. In English, conjugating verbs is easy, and simply swapping I and you, my and your works in most cases. We can use another function from the re module to do this, re.sub. This substitutes patterns in a string. For example, this function takes the sentence, "I walk my dog," and transforms it into, "You walk your dog." The final step is to combine these logical pieces together. We start with a pattern and a message. We extract the key phrase by creating a match object using pattern.search, and then the group method to extract the string represented by the parentheses. We then choose a response appropriate to this pattern and swap the pronouns so that the phrase makes sense when the bot says it. We then insert the extracted phrase into the response to partially echo back what the user talked about, given the illusion that the bot has understood the question and remembers his experience. Now it's your turn to build your own ELIZA-style chatbot.